I'll be showing you the top Hreflang apps for your Shopify store, and for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide the best fit for your store. Also, before I dive in, if you're looking for a profit calculator for your Shopify store, check out Profit Calc in the link in the description below, which is the sponsor of this video. The first app we're taking a look at is called GWA Hreflang Manager, making it super easy to set up and manage Hreflang tags for your localized store to improve international SEO of your brand. This is a crucial role in search engines as it helps them understand which version of the web page should be displayed to users on their localization settings. And if you have 2+ Shopify stores in different languages or countries, this app offers an automated way to generate and insert these tags into the appropriate sections of each store's theme. Therefore, you can map specific languages and regions corresponding URLs and prevent stores from penalties for duplicated content. It makes it easy to have everything in one app here related to href language tags, and you can sync and link your products in the store to help with SEO. We can see here some examples with different languages set for the hreflang variable here. You can also apply advanced region and language settings for each store, and it's going to give you one admin panel for all stores with Hreflang Manager. In terms of pricing, it starts at $9.99 a month and goes up to $13.99 per month, and that's for each added store. And the starter plan is for up to 1,000 positions per store, and the advanced plan has a limited amount of positions for each store. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 11 5-star reviews. If we take a look at one of the latest reviews here, this merchant says the app is working great, amazing customer service, and this next person was absolutely thrilled with the support. And it was an excellent application that helped them solve a crucial problem. Next up, we have Digital Darts Hreflang tags, letting you optimize these tags for SEO, even with multiple accounts, markets, or URLs. This allows you to effortlessly follow Google's practices for multiple stores, saving days of work. It works beautifully with multilingual stores, allowing you to save time and improve SEO today with an instant setup of multiple multilingual stores. We can see some examples of tags here. Based on the language, the URL has been updated. This allows you to increase organic search sales for international stores. And in terms of pricing, just get a flat rate plan here of $27 per month and sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 13 5-star reviews. According to one of the latest reviews here from a merchant who spent about 2 years using the app, they are very happy with Digital Darts and can only recommend it if you have multiple Shopify stores, and Joshua has provided great support. There's also reviews saying that it's a great app, and they've made what's normally a complex setup very easy and straightforward, and the out-of-the-box mapping by SKU saves so much time as well. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. You have all your different cost of goods sold, ad spend from all your different platforms, monthly expenses, and all your transaction fees. But with our sponsor Profit Calc, you can understand your store's exact profit all in just one click. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of different details, metrics, and analytics, letting you make smarter business decisions as you'll have a true insight into your business. So it syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Meta, which includes both Facebook and Instagram, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, TikTok, as well as Google. It also has cost of goods sold integrations with platforms such as AliExpress, Printful, Printify, CJ Dropshipping, and ShipHero. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. So this is going to conclude the video here, as there are only 2 href language Shopify apps available, at least in the region I'm in. Both of these apps have great reviews, and it's going to depend on the pricing you're looking for, but both have 14-day free trials, so you can test drive them for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.